Hi friends, this video shows how to pair Bluetooth speaker. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go down, set remote and accessories. Set pair remote or accessory. See, it's searching for accessories. Now let me turn on this Bluetooth speaker.
Your device is ready to pair.
Now this Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode. See, here on right side you can see Stone 352. That is the name of this speaker. Let me select it. Now it's pairing. Set pair.
You're now connected to both Stone.
Say paired. And here you can see Stone 352, battery level 50%. See, here we can see the options. We can disconnect, rename, forget, use for TV audio. Okay, so this way we can pair Bluetooth speaker. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.